Hey y'all, Fuller again with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We have another vehicle spotlight for you. This is the old beater plow truck, 2017 F250 Lariat on some 20x10s and 35's. Let's go.
Custom Offsets team chances the genie on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right guys, like I said, 2017 F250. Now what we did on this one was a 2.5-inch Carly leveling kit. So some of you have probably heard of that, some of you maybe not. But what that is beefs it up about 2.5 inches in the front here. And we also upgraded to the Fox suspension, the 2.0s front and rear. Now with this leveling kit on the F250 and this wheel and tire setup, there's absolutely no trimming. So I'll show you for wheels, what he's got is the XF204. This is a 20x10 -24, and this is the matte black finish. And you can see it's got the XF milled in here and kind of these bolt heads, the style around the outside there. Covered cap. We'll do the lip test for you. So on your 20x10 -24, you're running right about 3.5 to 4-inch lip on that. So pretty decent for a 10 wide. And the tires he's got are 295/65 R20. This is a Toyo Open Country AT2 Extreme. And what that equates out to is about 35.1 tall. And then it's 11.6 wide. So you can see there's a little bubble because the tire is wider than the wheel. So people can stop hating when we stretch tires. No stretch tires on this one. And it does give them a little bit of stance. Comes out just past the fender. Yeah, right about 2.5 inches, I'd say roughly. So it just gives it a nice aggressive look. As far as other stuff on the truck, it's pretty much stock. He just picked this one up. This is just the plow truck. He also has a red F150 we did a video on before. This is Kirk's dad's truck. Kirk works customer service for us. One of the cool things about this truck is the amp power steps. That's a nice feature. So open the door, they go down, close it, and they come back up. Out back, obviously no fitment issues. Like I said, there's no trimming up front either. You don't have to do anything in the rear. He does have the upgraded Fox shocks in the back also. We'll give you a peek at the interior of this one. This is a Lariat package. Pretty clean. You can see he's got the control for the plow in there. Leather, nice silver trim. WeatherTech floor mats. Overall, pretty clean. All right guys, so that about wraps it up on your 2017 F250. We'll catch you next time.